So we have these corned beef sandwiches I had ready to go and just pan fry. We had it in fridge. Well, we're kind of corned beefed out. We have some leftover cabbage and potatoes and corned beef, carrots. And I'm like, okay, what am I going to do with this? Okay, because, we're all on rations and we can't waste food anymore. Filled my crock pot up with water. We threw the leftover corned beef in there. And I have a dish that I made some well, never. I won't use that. I don't think so because see, we had a stir fry teriyaki, and I'm like, do I put this in the soup? Will it taste good with some rice and tofu with all that? I don't know. We'll see. All right, we're gonna put it all in here, and I'm gonna add some chicken broth. This chicken broth right here. I hope you all have this, and if you go to the store, this is a great thing to have, or you can buy the beef bouillons. I mean, it will make you magic. All right, so we're going to make some soup and see how it turns out, because if not, this would have gone in the rubbish, or we just ate it because we had to. So let's see if we can make some yummy soup. All right, talk to you later. Today's Friday, March 20th, and it is our fifth day of being quarantined because of coronavirus of 2020. Aloha, this is Keanu and
Kamakana.
Kamakana. Yay!